my secret sauce to making this money on YouTube.
My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
So what is up, YouTube? It is your nurse bae, Carle Rae, and for those of you who are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Carle Rae, and I am a YouTuber that talks about nursing, lifestyle videos, and just all around a lot of other different type of content. Nonetheless, as you can tell by today's title, I will be revealing how much I have made off YouTube this past year. So for those of you who are new to my channel and do not know, once again, my name is Carle Rae. I started my channel about around this time last year. I wouldn't say I started my channel. I really kicked off hitting my channel and trying to be a little bit more consistent more than I was around this time last year. And so within a year's time, guys, I have hit over 50,000 subscribers, y'all. And for those of you who do not know that backstory, y'all, my goal was only to hit 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy to me that I'm able to hit 50,000 subscribers in a year. But yeah, so like I was saying, is I started this channel over about a year ago, and more so I just wanted to put more information out into the world about nursing and just get my content out there to different type of people. Although I'm not gonna lie, I did want to make money off of YouTube as well, but I more so wanted to put nursing information out there to you guys to make sure you guys are all aware of different type of avenues and things like that within the nursing field. So I will say this, one thing that I have realized with YouTube is that what you put in won't always be what you get out. And so what I mean by that is you can put out all these videos, but if it isn't received well from the audience, then it won't be pushed along via YouTube and their algorithm, however you want to say it. They won't push your video. But one thing I have learned within this year is that you have to find content that is searchable. So if you as a person is going onto YouTube, what are you searching for? What are the videos that you are watching? What do you like about those videos? Put out videos similar to that. Don't copy, but put out videos very similar to that. But mostly make videos that are searchable type of topics. Like if you're a smaller channel, you know, it doesn't make sense to put out a video as in like the day in the life type of video, because no one knows you. No one knows anything about you. Probably won't even care because they don't know you. The way that I started out my channel and created my following and was finally able to get monetized was that I had to put out content that I knew people would search for, and then I also had to learn about keyword research and ranking in videos and things like that, because those things also help as far as in like YouTube. When I first started around in November, I started doing all of this. I was going ham on it, putting out content, and you guys really received it well. And in December, I think December was the month where I hit about 10,000 subscribers in a month. I know, mind freaking blowing. Like, y'all, I still remember the days where I had 202 subscribers and I was so geeked about it. But I'm just saying that to say this: if you study YouTube and you put in that type of energy and you put out that content that you know people are looking for, then your channel without a doubt will absolutely grow. Like I told y'all, I started from 0 and I went from 0 to 50K in a year. In 1 year, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna bring you guys into my analytics and we will get to chatting about how much I have made and how I was able to make it. All right, guys, so I am here within my analytics on my home page, and it's the YouTube Studio Beta. So to find out my analytics, I will go to this analytics tab right here and click that. and here I am. So far for the last 28 days, this is how much I have made for the last 28 days. But you guys are here because you guys want to know how much I've made for the last year that I've been on YouTube. So let me drop this menu down. So I will go to, all right, so I'll just select lifetime because as I told you guys, I really didn't start taking my YouTube serious until November of last year. So what I will go ahead and do is do lifetime because it's been about a year. So far on YouTube, I have managed to make $15,392. So my channel has generated 2.2 million views, and I have gained about 51.2K subscribers. So, wow, I know you guys. All right, so we are back from analytics page. So you guys have seen that I was able to generate $15,392, guys. Wow, I know that's a lot of money. Like, to some of you guys who are out there, you're young and you're, you know, just trying to try out this YouTube stuff, that may seem like it's a lot of money, which it is, and I'm so thankful for it, guys. I'm so thankful for it. This, I'm gonna tell you straight up, is just from my Google AdSense. That's not including the brand deals. I don't know how to pull that up on my PayPal account just as of yet, but I will tell you, speaking, that I'm normally able to generate maybe about, so on a safe end, I would say that I'm able to generate about $1,500 a month from brand deals. So if we do the math on that, and you already know, sis, if you're an OG subscriber, I'm all about adding them coins up. So let's do that math real quick. 1,500 times 12 months out the year. So that's 18,000 plus my 15,392, 98, 96, one of those. So I'm gonna just do 15,392. So that means that I've made $33,392 just within my first year on YouTube. Wow. And but before this video goes any further, I don't want this video to be a bragging video, because by any means, I still consider myself a smaller YouTuber. There are YouTubers that make way more bank than me, honey, way more bank. But I want this video to be very inspiring and very eye-opening and very encouraging to you younger YouTubers and smaller YouTubers out there, to let you guys know that you can make this money on YouTube. It is possible, but I will tell you the way that I was able to do it. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Y'all ready? Was to make searchable content. I know you guys are probably thinking like, what do you mean by searchable content? So searchable content pretty much is content that you as a viewer would like to see. Such as, you see how a lot of those videos trend sometimes. Sometimes if you hop on those trending videos, they can help boost your channel. Sometimes if you know a topic is heavily talked about, such as nursing, I talk about nursing on my channel. Right now on YouTube, that's very, very searchable. So I make videos geared towards searchable type of content. So one of my videos, I made ER/AM nurse routine. And on that video, I was able to skyrocket some of my subscribers because I was able to put out a video that a lot of viewers were wanting to really just know about. You get what I'm saying? So that helps skyrocket my views, which also helps skyrocket my subscribers, which ultimately means more money in my pocket. That's why I say it's very beneficial to make those type of videos that you know are searchable. So if you are a YouTuber that talks about hair. You as a YouTuber, what do you look for whenever you're looking at YouTube and watching YouTube? You wanna, as a hair YouTuber, you're looking at how someone slays their frontals, how HD frontals look. So I would say, if I were you, make videos about slaying your frontal. Make videos about how you get your frontals to lay flawlessly. Make videos about some of the top companies that you work with. Make videos about some of the worst companies that you have worked with, because these are all topics that people would probably search for. Make videos about those HD frontals, because they are the newest wave out there on the market. So you just have to make searchable content, you guys. You have to do that. Just to give you guys an example, so as you guys know, I just talked about that ERAM nurse routine and how it was able to skyrocket my channel. So let's go back into the analytics and look back into that video. I hate that my freaking computer keeps logging me out. Okay, so here's the video right here, ER nurse AM routine. So this is the video right here. As you guys can see, it has generated about 185,796 views. And let's see if I can move this over and see how much it has actually made me. Matter of fact, I'll just go to this video right here. So I clicked on it. I go over here to my analytics tab again, and all right, cool. So now we're here. So this video, over the lifetime that I've uploaded it, and I uploaded it over a year ago, guys, within a year, this one video has made me $703.79. Like what? Like one video? Like what? And from that one video, I was able to gain 6.2K subscribers, and it got about 185,000 views, almost 186,000 views, just off that one video. So guys, boom, you just saw it. You saw exactly how much one video has made me so far within this whole entire year. So that is why I say it's very, very, very important when you're freshly starting out, make videos about things that are searchable. You can't go wrong with that. People that are searching for this type of content, they will find you. But I will tell you another step to further reaching your potential subscribers and viewers, and that is to rank. And so if you guys watched my last video, The Day in the Life of a YouTuber, I will link it up here in the cards right here. But if you guys watched that video, you guys know my main app that I love and that I use, and it's been my ride or die, my #1 app that helped me actually boost my channel. It is TubeBuddy. So with TubeBuddy, they actually help you with keywords and how to place your keywords and what keywords are actually being searched and looked at and things like that. So TubeBuddy has just really helped me rank. So think about it like this. You put out a video that is of searchable content, correct? Right, you got it, did it. Now, what you want to do is to rank within that first page. So I don't know about you guys, but me, I don't like searching through pages and pages and pages of type of content. I'm gonna look at that first page and that's gonna be it, sis. Like, I'm not gonna look at no other pages. So that is why I say it is very important to rank, because if you're within that, if you're on that first page, then guess what? They're gonna see that you're on that first page, they're gonna click that video and they're gonna watch. And then guess what that means? You get a chance to gain a subscriber, and you also get the opportunity to make more money. So I don't want you guys to think that, oh, I'm small, I can't do it, I can't make it. Like, y'all, I don't have a big head honcho friend that's up in YouTube that gave me a shout out. Everything that I'm talking to you guys, I learned on my own. So I don't want you guys to ever get beside yourselves and think that you guys cannot do it. You guys can do it. The sky is the limit, guys. So go ahead. If you guys are looking to start a YouTube channel, start that YouTube channel. The way that my husband put it to me is that the only thing that's stopping you and holding you back from starting YouTube is you. go ahead and put the video out. It's probably not gonna be as good as you probably thought or wanted to be, but just know that each video you will keep getting better. So that was the best advice that I could have ever gotten, was to just go ahead and start. But I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of self-conscious, kind of like, oh, I don't know what everybody's gonna think about me. I don't want to seem conceited or anything like that. But at the end of the day, nobody pays your bills but you. So if anybody feels that you're being conceited, or you're flooding their timeline or their news feed with any type of like type of self-promotion, then sis, they ain't your friend, really. They really ain't there for you anyway. So just go ahead and do you and promote yourself. You have to do that. And that's another key thing that I will say helped boost me, is the fact that I kept promoting myself. Whether anybody shared my post about my YouTube page or not, I made sure that I promoted myself 100%. I hope this video is very helpful and informative and very encouraging and inspiring. And if you guys feel like this video has helped you in any type of way, can you please give this video a thumbs up, or even share this video with your friends, family, even other YouTubers.